it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok camera quality. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you record a video on TikTok or just take a photo, but your camera quality is poor, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Well, the first thing we're gonna do, I'm just gonna tap on the plus icon at the bottom to record a video. Now tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner and then hit next. And from this interface, you can edit your video. But here at the bottom, we got more options. So tap on it. And here from advanced settings, we got allow high quality uploads. So make sure to turn on this option. It will allow to make your videos and photos in high quality. And this is it. This is how to fix TikTok camera quality. Thanks for watching. See ya.